Are you looking for DIY mix for weight loss within short time? Lose your weight in just 5 days. This ready mix will save your time. Come, let's get into the video. Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Ayush Chikitsa. Today I will show you an effective weight loss homemade powder. This is easy method which will help you to lose weight in 5 days and boost immunity system. Come, let's start the video. The required ingredients are 3 tablespoons of turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, 1.5 tablespoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Consumption of turmeric increases the metabolic rate, which helps to burn the calories faster in the body. Cinnamon helps to lose weight by promoting an overall healthy body, that's all, process food better. Ginger has demonstrated potential as an ingredient to help you to lose the weight. Eating ginger every day can regulate the production of insulin in the patients with diabetes. Black pepper, which helps to enhance the metabolic performances and prevents the fat accumulation in the body. Take 3 tablespoons of turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, 1.5 tablespoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix all together, store it in a refrigerator. It keeps the fresh for 1 month in an airtight glass jar. Mix with 1 glass of warm water. Add 1 teaspoon of prepared turmeric weight loss powder in empty stomach. You'll see the magic in weight loss. Use up to 2 to 3 months for a best results. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. This will boost us to do more and more health videos and we can reach more and more people.